Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua, we have the 2008 911 Targa 4S. This one is the 6-speed manual. And man, oh man, what a good car this thing is. 997.1 Targa 4S. Here is your Targa roof. Obviously a little bit different than the 991 gen, the 992 Targas. The 996 and 997 were movable centerpieces, but still very, very cool. Options: park assist, self-dimming mirrors, 19-inch turbo wheel, adaptive sport seats, 3-spoke multifunction wheel, navigation module, and Bluetooth. So pretty darn cool. 3.8 liter flat 6. Oh, this motor is something very, very special, and I freaking love it. Gearbox is phenomenal. I'm kind of obsessed with this car a little bit. It's that good. So let's take this thing out on the road. I said this the first time I drove a 997. They're just so analog. And that's what I love about them. That sound is downright intoxicating. Full leather, and oh, what a car. Something I've grown to appreciate is how a car exits a corner rather than what it's like in the corner. How the car can apply power through a corner is a huge thing for me. And with this all-wheel drive system, I don't know, this thing can do some wizardry. .997 was the last without the electric steering rack. Last of the hydraulic, and everybody really complained about it. And yes, it just has more feel. The more things you add as you go down the line, you're gonna lose feel over time. This thing is just so analog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.